Everybody, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going over the new custom made Sonic screwdriver again. Well, not again, because this is the second time doing a new one. So here he is, the Golden Sonic screwdriver. Can send it out for a what? On the way out or stuff. To activate from the key for the casing part, you have to hold this and do the same thing. But if you want, but yeah, that's the only way you activate it. And it does come with the other part when you plan on regluing this part. It came off today. So originally the design was supposed to be like this. Like eventually. But it just came off today. I was trying to fix this flashlight. Made it a problem into a solution. Because it actually do need to take a batteries. So yeah. So yeah, this Sonic was only in episode 2. 2 scenes. When I get a new Sonic, when the Doctor get a new one, and the first part, the future. So, as I said, mix. So, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below what you think thoughts about the new Sonic. So I'll see you all in the next episode.